Hi, welcome to DevOps Central. In this video we will create our first visualization in Grafana using the default Grafana data source and later on install Prometheus to use as a data source also. So let's dive right into it. Click on the Open menu, Dashboards, Create Dashboard, Add Visualization. Here you can select Mixed Dashboard or Grafana. We are going to use the default Grafana data source. Select Random Walk. This will generate a random time series. Here you can see what Grafana will suggest as a visualization for this time series data. We are going to use the default line chart. Give the panel some meaningful name, Random Walk. Okay, let's add another query. Very nice. Now add some opacity. Okay, it's looking very good. Apply, and there you have it, our first dashboard. It's as easy as that. Let's give it a name. Walk, dashboard, save. Right, so now we are going to install Prometheus on our VM. Copy the hyperlink. Let's go to our terminal, wget. Here now we have downloaded our installer. We'll create a user, Prometheus. Home shell. Next, let's create some directories to put our Prometheus installation into. Change the ownership of these directories to Prometheus and also group Prometheus. Right, and now we are going to extract our tar file. Move everything from the console directory to etc Prometheus. Also move the YAML file, this is a configuration file for Prometheus, to this directory. Change the ownership to Prometheus. Next we are going to move Prometheus executable to user local bin and also change here the permissions. Bin. Alright. made a typo. We're going now to create the service file so we can stop and start using systemctl. I will put these contents in the description of this video so you can use it also. I'm going to reload systemctl daemon. If I type it correctly. Let's start Prometheus. Right, looking very good, it's running. Now let's see on which port it's running. So it's on the default port for Prometheus, 9090. You can change this if required in the YAML file from Prometheus. So Prometheus also has a web interface, but to access it we also again need to create a port forwarding rule. To 7001, let's put 832 10.02.15 9090. Okay, now we should be able to access the Prometheus interface from our web browser. Okay, so we can see here that our Prometheus instance is up and running. So this is it for this video. In the next video we will create our first data source that connects to this Prometheus instance, and we will create also some visualizations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.